Log into your Shopify admin and click on the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. From the Settings menu, select Notifications. This is where you will find every automated email your store sends, including the order confirmation. Scroll down to the Orders section and click on the order confirmation title. This opens the default template in a simple visual editor. Before you make any changes, click the Preview button in the top right to see exactly what the current email looks like on a desktop and a mobile phone. Now you can insert your brand voice. Replace the generic header logo with a centered version of your own logo file. In the body text, delete the default greeting and write a short, enthusiastic message that genuinely thanks the customer. For example, you can change the line to something like, "High five, Brian. We are getting your order ready right now." The key is to sound human, not automated. Below that, you can add a custom section by clicking the Add Section button to include a personal note, a quick tip for using the product they bought, or a discount code for their next purchase. When you are finished editing, click Save at the top right. Go back to the preview mode and send a test email to your own inbox. Read it over carefully on your phone to make sure the formatting holds up, the links work, and the tone feels right before your customers ever see it.